Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the project and launching session player on an aux or instrument track. This places clips under your control. Make sure tempo and start bar match the backing session so clips sync correctly. Once loaded, pick a folder or preset to show takes and slices. You'll see lanes and clip names. This first step ensures your material is ready to trigger. Do this now so you can focus on arranging and mapping without wasting time on setup later. Now you map controls and audition material. Engage Learn and press a pad or key to assign a lane because hands-on mapping speeds performance. Once mapped, audition clips and use solo/mute to compare takes. Set loop ranges where you want repeats. Make small adjustments, gain, pitch, timing offset, and crossfades so clips sit well in the mix. After tweaking, save a snapshot or preset. This keeps your mappings and settings intact for the performance or further editing. You're ready to perform and record. Switch session player to play and use your mapped pads or MIDI keyboard to trigger clips. Follow will keep everything locked to the arrangement. Record the output to a track so you have audio to edit. Afterward, consolidate and clean up takes into a single region or playlist for mixing. If timing or dropouts happen, check sample rate, audio buffer size, tempo map accuracy, and plugin induced latency to troubleshoot and restore reliable playback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.